Alright, here is the build process so far on my F4U Corsair. It is September 27th and I started on it, I believe it was August 27th. So we're a month into the build. I've got all the control surfaces hooked up, other than all my radio gear inside. And these will, of course, come off when it's time for monocoat, which is coming up. I've got the final sanding to do and then start monocoating it, but I've kind of been going over the landing gear since I just got done painting. Let me see if I can lift it. Painting underneath, inside where the landing gear goes. Those are the landing gear. Painted the oil coolers. And I just kind of been cycling through the retract system. I'll give you a preview of that. If I can get underneath here far enough, we'll do one wheel. And of course they sit in there if I can get under there. And then they'll come back down. Other side. So there they are, retracted into the wing. Oil coolers painted. And let's drop the landing gear one more time. Still got to mount the motor and the baffle, but I didn't want to mount the motor until I got the monocoat done, because it's kind of a pain in the butt to twist and turn the fuselage when you got a motor attached to it. Flaps are just taped up. Ailerons. And that's where I'm at on this F4U Corsair build. You can see how big it is. There's my dog. But it's turned out to be a really good looking airplane. And if all goes well on the first flight, then I'm going to add the scale cockpit. I am going to use some brass tubing, put in the leading edge of the wing, 3 per side, use that as 50 caliber guns. And what other scale modifications did I have for it? There was one other, but I can't remember it. So that's the Corsair for now. There's the other belly. Oh, the other scale was the slow and go. To make the flaps drop, you can program them to drop in 1 second or 10 seconds. But let me see if I can untape this and drop one side of the flaps, and they will come down like so. And there's your retracted flaps, which are a pain in the butt to build. So I'd like them to deploy like about like that. But yep, getting there. Should be able to fly it this year. September 27th. Get a flight in early, mid-October. And I'm into it right around 200 or so hours. So that's it. Thank y'all for watching.